On this episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to restore your headlights for you. So I got this stuff right here. It's by Maguiar's. It's heavy duty headlight restore kit, and what comes with it is your pad for your sanding. Now this ain't the coating stuff. This is the stuff you want to put on to clear the plastic on. This pad is for whenever you clear coat it. You pour it on here and then you rub it on there. This is the clear coat sealer. So 2 pads come with it. There's actually the sanding pad and the other pad. It's got a little sand pad on it. You want to wet both of them at the same time. Alright, now the way I do it is the way I prep the surface is you want to have a bottle on hand with water in it. You want to spray it down. And once you spray it down, you want to take a microfiber cloth or a shop towel or something like that to get the surface off clean and good. And then you want to put this sanding pad on the pad itself so you can start sanding the headlight, so you can get it ready, prepped. That way you can spray on there. So the way the instructions are, you have to wet this a little bit, and you just want to go in there, start sanding away. As you can see, the little dirt and grime is going away, because you want to get all that dirt, grime, the scratches off of it, everything. Wet it again a little bit more. Now the reason why I'm wearing gloves is because that solution is kind of make your hands feel funny if you don't wear no gloves. So you just want to get in there, sand it real nice and smooth. Now this is an 05 Trailblazer, so you know they got this right here. Alright, you take this off, you put the other pad on, that way it can get a little bit smoother. And as it gets, if you feel it smooth, you can actually put the coating on. And what I meant to forget is this thing comes with it, but it don't come with the drill. Now you want to take this microfiber cloth, wipe it down good enough. That way you can take this sanding pad, wet it, as you can see, it's starting to clear up a little bit. That's what you want. Trying to get a nice surface on there. I ain't gotta come back again and do it. I'm gonna take off my glove. Alright, I got it nice and smooth. So take off one of your gloves, take it, and if it feels smooth to you, you can start with the disc and getting all this out. This will all come out, because this is just in that headlight. This ain't on the outside of it, this is on the inside of it. And you want to get all that on. Wipe it down good. Now the way you do it is, I tend to put it on the number 1 speed. Number 12. You want to put a dab of it on there. So like this, I'm gonna put this a little bit in there, like so. And the way I do it is I dab it right there in the spots that I want it in there. Now I'll just go in there and clean it. Alright, next you take your shop towel, clean it again. You can notice a difference after you put that stuff on. It's very slick and smooth. Now we're going to put the coating on. So it goes from that to this looking like this to, about to show you in a few minutes. Now you just gotta wait for it to dry. And you can know the difference once you get on the road at nighttime, that you can see a little bit more clear. I can see the difference right now. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I can definitely see inside of my headlights. The white stuff that was on the corner actually went away. So I got it good and clean enough where at nighttime I can actually see. And it's a great product. I mean, it's very great. And I got this from my local Advanced Auto, $30. $30 for this kit. It's only like for severe headlights, like you can see in this picture right here. This is the after, and I can tell it's a great result. It's my second time using it. I'm going to use it whenever someone has severe headlights, and I can clean them and the results come out good as I want them. It's good enough product for me. And it's made by Maguiar's. And it's pro results in it. Like this stuff right here, you can actually buy in the store by itself. If you run out of this or that, it does have a part number on the back where you can use it. Give it to them. Oh no, as you can see, clean headlights. Thank you for watching this video.